Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 7.1 question number 1. Question number 1 is question number 1 is here write the fraction representing the shaded portion. How many shaded portion are there? 1 and 2. Two shaded portion, right? Therefore, the fraction will be 2. And how many total fraction is there? Total parts 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4. There are 4 parts out of which 2 are shaded. Therefore, it will be 2 by 4, right? If we change into lowest term, that is 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4, then it comes to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now this one, how many shaded portion is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? There are 8 shaded parts and total part is 8 plus 1, 9 parts. 8 by 9, right? Now this question, how many are shaded part? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are shaded part, that means 4 divided by total part. Total part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 by 8. If we change into lowest term, that is 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8, therefore it is 1 by 2. Here in this case also you see 1 is shaded part, 1 by how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 total parts, that is 1 by 4th. Right? Now here you see 1, 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded. Therefore it will be 3 by how many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 by 7 part. The fraction will be 3 by 7. Here how many shaded portion is there? 1, 2, 3. Therefore 3 and total part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 by 12. If we change into lowest term, that is 3 1 is 3 and 3 4 is 12. That is 1 by 4 part is equal to 1 by 4th part. Now this one, how many are shaded? All are shaded. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 are shaded. How many total parts is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whole. That is 10 by 10. That comes to 1, or you can say it as whole. You remember that in the fraction, all the parts are same. That is you have to remember, right? That is equal to 1. Now question number 8. How many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are shaded. The way it will be 4 by total parts is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total part is 9. 4 by 9. Therefore it will be 4 by 9. Next one is how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore it will be 4 by how many are total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 by 8. And we cut by 4, that is 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. That is equal to 1 by 2. Right? Now this one you see you have to take one part, that is this. How we will find the parts whether is here you see this is the symmetrical line, right? The half of this one is this, half of this one is this, half of this one is this, and half of this one is this, right? That means symmetrical. That means you can write it as a fraction as half, right? 1 by 2. Now question 10 is, here you see this is a line of symmetry, right? The part, this part is equal to this part, and this whole part is equal to this part is equal to this part, and this part is equal to this part, right? Line of symmetry. That means here is the line of symmetry. These are colored, that is one is colored, and the total part is one part plus one part, two part, that is 1 by 2, right? That means it is 1 by 2. This is the solution of question number 7.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.